Hi mathematicians, let's talk symmetry. Symmetry is when two halves of something can close together or fold together and be exactly the same. I'm thinking of a butterfly that can fold its wings and they match up exactly. There are a lot of things that show symmetry or are symmetrical. I've drawn a face here and I'm going to put a dotted line down the middle, try and get it exactly, not quite exactly down the middle, but I would call that a line of symmetry because if I was to fold on this line, the two halves would hopefully match up exactly. Line of symmetry. Now, for this face, that line is the only way that they would match up. The hair would match the eyes, the two halves of the nose, and the mouth would match up. For something like this square, I could draw a similar line of symmetry and try and get it down the middle there as a line of symmetry. But because a square is also the same if I turn it over, I could put another line of symmetry here. And if I folded it that way, it's also symmetrical. I'm also noticing if I went diagonally, that would be another line of symmetry. And then this way too. So this square is symmetrical in a number of different ways. It matches and folds exactly in a number of different ways with multiple lines of symmetry. Over here you can see on my grid I've drawn a little bit of a house or an arrow or whatever you'd like to call it. Well, it's only half. I've got my line of symmetry there already and I can now use that to draw the other half to complete my symmetrical drawing. I need to be nice and careful to match up and make sure that, well, if it's coming out 1, 2, 3 squares on this side of the line of symmetry, it has to be 1, 2, 3 on this side of the line of symmetry too. They have to match exactly. Now, I wish I had some more time to make that as accurate as possible, but you can see how I have matched the left side on the right here by using that line of symmetry. You might also notice a lot of symmetry in nature. I grabbed this from outside this leaf, fern leaf, and you can see that while it's not perfect, there is a lot of symmetry going on with that leaf and in a lot of other places in nature too.